Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be sharing 15 sentences about refrigerator. Number 1. A refrigerator is an electric device. Number 2. It is also called a fridge. Number 3. It is used for keeping food fresh and chilled. Number 4. It has a freezer compartment. Number 5. The refrigerator keeps food fresh. Number 6. It preserves food from spoiling. Number 7. It helps prevent food waste. Number 8. The temperature can be adjusted. Number 9. Cold air circulates within. Number 10. It needs occasional cleaning. Number 11. It has a light inside. Number 12. It comes in different sizes. Number 13. It can be found in most kitchens. Number 14. It is a staple appliance in households. Number 15. Without it, storing food becomes challenging. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.